Hey guys, beautiful afternoon, Jersey Shore, like 66 degrees, November 6th. And guess what? I'm down in the middle of Asbury Park, in front of the Wonder Bar, 5th Avenue. I figured I'd come down and do a little walk. I didn't go for a walk or run this morning. I was really busy, so I wanted to choose someplace else that I haven't gone in a while. So right in front of the Robinson Ale House, as well as the Wonder Bar down by 5th Avenue. Haven't been to Asbury Park in a very long time, so I'm just going to walk through and see what's going on. Maybe do some mind thinking around the Boardwalk. But like I said, this has changed a lot. So let's get started, okay? Here we go. The Robinson Ale House. I think I have to come down here and the Robinson Ale House and Tim McClune's Supper Club. Definitely have to come down here and check it out. My left, the Paramount Theater. By the way, this setting has been seen in a lot of movies. The most famous one that comes to my mind is Sopranos. Tony and I think Pussy are walking, Big Pussy are walking down here. A lot of people by the water, taking pictures, and hey, like I said, 66 degrees. I think this presents a photo op. Sure. 5th Avenue. Let's see what's going on. Pliables, always open. Sugar Pop. Tell you, wherever you see a pliable is always open. This place is nice. I have to come to dinner. The Iron Whale. Jersey Shore, Asbury Park. I gotta have a photo up for this. I'm going to give you guys a view from the Stone Pony, which everybody knows. And I just walked down here. This is the famous Stone Pony, where Bruce Springsteen started his career. And where he is known to often pop up and do sets. Right in the heart of Asbury Park. All these years, Stone Pony is still here, rocking. I might as well walk down this. Like I said, it's a beautiful November afternoon here in New Jersey, about 66 degrees. You guys can see stages in their back where there's live performance outdoors. I don't know if I can show you guys, for those of you guys who've never been here. If I can stick my GoPro in there. There you go. Actually fits. Getting an exclusive look in the back of Stone Pony. Pretty unique, huh? Good experience. Personally, I have never been inside the Stone Pony, so this is a unique opportunity for me as well. Walking around the corner from Stone Pony, I can say that I've been here. I only live in New Jersey for 50 years of my life and have never visited the Stone Pony. Oh, wait a minute. I didn't even have to do that. We can just go through the back here. Look at this. Here you go, guys. The back of the Stone Pony, where a lot of good concerts and events have happened over the years. There are outdoor bars. It's massive. So we got off the boardwalk. We get back on there, but this is the back of the Stone Pony. Dare you guys to name some of the bands I've played here. You cannot name Bruce Springsteen because he is the most famous artist that has played at Stone Pony. So go ahead and put on the bottom of this video any famous bands, groups, individuals that have started or appeared at Stone Pony. All right, so since we're down here, let's see what else is there. We'll go around it. I'm not sure what this is. Is that a porta or is that a nail? Spanish Club? Porta patterns esto. I cannot read this. Seems to be a bar. Maybe you guys can tell me what it is. 2nd Avenue. Corner of 2nd Avenue. Is there a sign in the front here? Nope. 2nd Avenue and Kinsley. Maybe you guys can tell me what it is. Now let's get back to Boardwalk. By the way, this is parking for the back of Stone Pony. My walk is turning out to be pretty interesting today. Still my customary Boardwalk walks. Got sidetracked. Checked out the Stone Pony. This is the cafe entrance of the Stone Pony. This has to be my highlight of this video. Stage entrance. The 12th, Wallflowers. 13, Samantha Fish. 14, Paint the Pony, purple. Here's what's appearing. November 19th, Start Making Sense. Springsteen E Street Band. Tramps. Some of the groups are, I guess, are about to perform or have performed. Yep, I guess older. Okay. This must be the ticket window. Are they for this year? Yep, November 13. This has got to be a photo op moment.